Okay, here we have this beautiful RCA Victor, and the model is VC181. It's in really good condition, but this is what it's doing. And the arm will never go onto the record. But the records drop correctly. So, yes.